Hey guys, good afternoon. Um, Graphic you just saw there is from some chest tightness. I've been having chest tightness since early this morning, and it's been on and off. So I did an inhaler earlier, and it helped for a little bit, and so I don't know. It's just been on and off. I guess it's probably asthmatic right now, but whew, it's been a workout to say the least. Choking on and off like that. I was gonna say coughing. I don't know what you want to call that. Anyway, yes, look at my hairdo. It's a mess. Whew. Yeah, I wasn't in any mood to jump in the shower yet. Not coughing like that. So hopefully I make it in the shower in a few minutes and I could look a little bit more presentable. But that's how my day has been going so far. But yeah, it's kind of rainy here and muggy and just a yucky day. Rosario headed back to work. I'm watching HSN. And they have some delicious cakes on and fudge a little while ago. So I was just finishing up a nebulizer. And I was, oh my god, my hair's really a mess. And I was just watching that. And I'm excited because I don't know if you guys can see that box over there. That big box. You can see it on the floor. That's my new machine that came. Still waiting for my new printer and a bunch of products that I'm working on ordering. But that's my new machine for my new crystals. So I'm excited about that. And that machine, you can make a lot of different things. It's actually a special heat press. So I'm excited that that just came in the mail this morning. FedEx delivered it. So pretty cool. I have to learn how to use it. Looks pretty simple. I have to, I was watching the video before, so I have to see how to, looks like it's mostly assembled, but I'm not sure. Once I get to really open it up and see if all the parts are put together. So me and Rosario will check that stuff out later, and I guess we'll have a look at it. Rosario's working tonight, so we probably won't get to that till tomorrow. But looks exciting. We're excited. And yeah, oh my gosh, look at my eyebrows. They're really bad. That's what happens when you don't feel good. Unfortunately, you don't get your eyebrows done and everything. Haven't felt well enough to get around to that stuff, so hopefully I will start to feel better and then I can take care of myself. So that's really it. I just took the paper, you can see here, out of my new bag, and I am going to put my stuff from my other bag into my new bag. Finally going to use it. And you guys got to see my choking session before, so I'm still having a lot of chest tightness, and choking session's a little calmer now. So I'm gonna be starting a nebulizer in a few minutes and doing a second chest PT, and then I'll eat something for dinner, and gonna change my bag, and I have a CF clinic appointment, follow-up appointment tomorrow to do some PFTs and see where my pulmonary function is at after a week and a half of IVs. And yeah, the doctor wanted to see me, so that'll be good. We'll see where I'm at. And Rosario's working, stopped home before. We got to have something to eat together for late lunch, and that's really it that's going on here. I gonna switch my bag, and this will be good. It's bigger bags, everything fit. I like my new bag, and that's really it that's going on. Excited to see where I'm at for tomorrow, and yeah.
Hey guys, just got home, and gonna have some soup. Jill's finishing changing her pocketbook, and she's been having a lot of chest tightness, coughed out a little bit of blood, so she's not feeling too good. And I'm going to finish eating the soup, and here it is. There you go. Some escarole with beans, and that's about it. I'm hoping that you know, she starts feeling better, but she hasn't been feeling well for quite some time now, so hopefully she'll catch a break soon. How adorable is she? She has a little flower in her
God. Took it out off the flower
you really do look pretty.
Was that you? Serious? You kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding.
Get that flower out of my eyes. Rosario just opened the Belgian chocolates from Costco that we bought. There's 2 of these packs in here.
You said it's wrong. It's the Belgian chocolates.
Luxury.
Look how nice and like amazingly delicious
we
these
just
look.
cut them open.
Do you see these? Like, what is this? Look at this. How amazing.
I don't know. It's art.
Oh God, that looks like a
almond.
like a leaf. Leaf.
A
like
leaf.
a seed or
like
something.
Like an almond.
Cool.
Like a nut.
And there's no 2 that are the same except like these 2. Very cool. Hello.
You really make me laugh.
I had an eventful shower just now. So
I wish I would have seen that.
12:55 in the morning, and I said, let me take a shower quick, and I got in the bathroom. There was no shower curtain, no rod, because Jill, I guess it fell on her today.
I accidentally pulled the rod down, got hit in the head with it, and I sat there for like 5 minutes.
So it was the funniest.
And it was like, ow, today.
It was the funniest sight. Showering.
And I forgot to put the curtain back up, the rod back up, and he didn't say anything, so.
So I showered without the curtain. It was hysterical. And but mission success.
I'm still laughing, but he smells really good, so I guess it works. Anyway.
But we're gonna get to bed because tomorrow's a long day.
Yeah.
And my little honey over here has to go to the doctor. And yeah.
Yep.
So we will see you tomorrow then.
Good night, everybody.
Good night. Hey guys. On our way to the doctor. Jill's doing her nebulizers because we didn't have time in the house, so she's doing her nebulizers. We had some breakfast. Running a little bit late, as usual. But thank God, no traffic so far. And should be there hopefully 20 minutes, maybe.
Yeah, that would be
at that point we'll be about 15 minutes late, which isn't terrible. And yeah, we're gonna see how everything goes today. I mean, you know, she hasn't been feeling too well, so
coughing up blood all night.
yeah. So yeah, we'll see. I'll give you guys an update when we finish.
Right, my big ball. It's going.
Getting smaller, shrinking.
Yeah. We were doing great, but you never want to speak too soon.
Nope.
Here we are.
Tell them what you said about the doctor.
Oh, I made a joke. And I said, you never want to lie to the doctor. I always believe never lie to the doctor. Tell the doctor, on my way up, or we'll be there in 2 minutes, because God forbid, you get into a car accident and you get hurt. Guess who's getting the call that you're unconscious or you're injured? She is. So, I always believe never lie to the doctor. Well, I always believe never lie anyway, but never lie to the doctor,
Just
especially
to the doctor?
because she's the one getting the phone call. Anyway, look how nice we're getting over the bridge now. But all right, hopefully we'll be there soon.
Got home after the doctor's appointment. I'm finishing up a sandwich here. Jill has a nice sandwich there. Show them that monster on the inside. Salami. And yeah, so the appointment went as we expected. And I'll let Jill tell you more about it later.
Hey guys, it is pill time and bedtime. We just finished the last dose of IVs about 15 minutes ago. And Rosario's just inside. We're gonna head up to bed. It's been a long day, very long day. And I have tortured him, to say the least, throughout last night, being up all night, coughing out blood. And just the whole day, it's been a lot. So we were getting ready for bed. We got to relax earlier and take a nap, which was nice. And I got my home care nurse coming tomorrow. She's gonna be changing my needle on my port, drawing bloods, and all of that fun stuff. And yeah, the doctor's appointment went okay today. We couldn't do PFTs due to all the bleeding that I had last night and then to this morning. So no pulmonary function test. But the doctor got to listen to my lungs and everything, and she said I sounded pretty good as usual, which for me is normally the issue. My lungs sound good, but usually the way I sound and the way I feel usually are two total opposite things. So we started steroids this afternoon, prednisone, and hopefully that helps. So I'm being hopeful, and we are praying that that works. And it's definitely kicked in already with my sugar. My sugars are on the rise, but I adjusted the insulin and they're not really running too high. They're in the mid 200s, so can't really complain. So we're doing all right with that. And but I know they're kicking in and starting to work. So I'm still coughing and stuff, not as much, but it's still way too early on to know if the steroids are working yet. But I'm gonna give it a couple of days, and hopefully these steroids will work. If they don't, then unfortunately I would have to go into the hospital. But we are praying that that's not the situation, and today was definitely a better day than yesterday so far. So hopefully we keep continuing that trend, and we'll see. I mean, we've had the air condition on, every single day. But as weird as it sounds, even with the air condition being on, the weather outside, I do feel a difference when it is cooler versus when it is warmer, even if I'm indoors with the AC on. So really strange, but I think today's weather had something to do with it and the way I felt. So just gonna take it day by day and see how that goes, and that's really it. So I hope everybody is having a smooth week, and we're hoping that we can get a full night's sleep tonight. We're never gonna get a full night's sleep, at least not on IVs, because I don't know about you guys, but with me with the sport, I never get to sleep all night through. It just gets in the way and could get annoying. So you would think I'd be used to it by now, but I'm not. So yeah, so hopefully this will be one of the better nights. So with that being said, it's time to finish my pills, get Cephaly going, and good night.